Okay, while I've been marking your work over the past few weeks, I've noticed that quite a lot of pupils seem to have forgotten how to change the proofing language when using Word and OneNote. It's very important that you remember how to do this because it will help you add in your accents and it will help you check the spelling of all of your work. So here I am in the full version of Word, because remember it's always important that you open things in the full version because that's the best place to edit them. And as we can see, this French sentences that I've typed here are being marked as wrong, and that's because they're being checked in English. Okay, so to change the proofing language in the full version of Word, it's slightly different from how you've learned in school. What you'll need to do is highlight the text that you've written, come down to the bottom and click where it says English United Kingdom. Okay, and then you're going to have to change this to French. Okay, now always remember to choose French France. Make sure that this box here, do not check spelling or grammar, is unticked, and then click OK. This will then highlight the words that you've spelt wrong, and these are wrong because they're missing the accent, so I know that I can right click on them and then select the correct spelling. Now it's still marked as wrong because ma, ville, is feminine, and here I need an extra E on. Okay, so it's always worth double checking once you've selected the correction that you want, that it's done the full thing for you. Okay, so there we are. So just to remind you, highlight it down to where it says English, click on the language and then select French and click OK. Now as I said, it's slightly different from the way that you've learned in school, so I'm just going to show you how to do that just now. So here we are with the same document, and this time we're going to highlight the text and right click on it and set proofing language. So this is how you'd have done it in school, and this is how you need to do it if you're editing the document online. Okay, so I'm just going to find French France again, and then it's exactly the same process as I just went through in the other one, but this time if you left click on it, it will give you the corrections there like that. Okay, so just remember that it's slightly different to do online than if you're using the full version of Word. Okay, but you still need to highlight your text first and then either right click, or if you're in the full version, go down to the bottom and change the language. Hopefully that'll help you eliminate some of the mistakes that you've been making and add in all the accents that you need on the words, because remember they are very important.